Hey, what's up everybody? Ted here with Davis AutoSports. Just want to do a quick video of this 2005 Jeep Wrangler LJ that we're currently building. Just trying to let you know what we got going on in the shop back there. This one is a automatic inline 6-cylinder 4-wheel drive. This thing has only 105,000 original miles. Excellent shape. Obviously nowhere near completion. We have installed the suspension lift with the upgraded components up front, which I'll get to in just a second. We've done all your servicing, brand new valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, rear main seal, obviously a brand new oil and filter change. Only 105,000 miles, very clean. Undercarriage and frame are in pristine condition. No rust issues whatsoever. We also replaced the left rear axle seal. Got a 2.5-inch suspension lift, brand new springs, brand new shocks. You have an upgraded heavy duty tie rod bar, brand new tie rod ends. You also have your heavy duty steering stabilizer. Very clean. What we had in mind to do to this thing, possibly keep these wheels or switch them out with some new wheels. We haven't decided on that yet. Probably some 32, 33-inch tires, some all-terrains. I'm going to put an upgraded aftermarket bumper on here. Still deciding on a winch or not. Some fog lights. I'm going to do the full paint correction service to this Jeep. Wet sand, buff, polish the paint. Paint's in great shape as it is, but the silver can really pop once we wet sand and buff it. A lot of the times in our videos you hear us talking about the flares, how they come in very faded, chalky looking. I mean, these things came from the factory black. I mean, now they're extremely faded, light gray. So we're going to take these off. We're going to sand them down, scuff them, then we're going to surface prep them. Spray them with our Kevlar spray. It's like a Line-X material. We're going to Kevlar those all the way around. Probably Kevlar the rear bumper and the side steps. Factory side steps look good on these Jeeps. We're going to do those as well. And then reinstall them. That'll really look good on this Jeep. Get a matching fifth wheel and tire, obviously. Inside's very clean. $105,102 on the odometer. Yeah, automatic 4-wheel drive, very nice. If you have any questions, we'd like to purchase this Jeep. It's going to be somewhere in the probably the $23,900 price range, and that could change depending on wheels and tires and bumpers, and if we go with a winch or LED lights. But if you'd like to purchase this Jeep, we can customize it to your specs. Give me a call, send me a message. Ted Lambert with Davis AutoSports. My cell is 804-852-4907. You can email me directly at ted@davisautosports.com. You can call the office here, 855-XJ-JEEPS. That's 855-955-3377. While you're here on the website or on YouTube, look at the other Jeeps that we've built and sold in the past. You get a better idea who we are, what we do. We specialize in Jeeps, Cherokees mainly. We do a ton of these Wranglers as well. If it can be built, we can do it here. So like I said, if you'd like to have this vehicle built to your specs, give me a call, 804-852-4907. We can get exactly what you want to do, put together a build sheet, and then get started. All right, thank you for taking the time to view the video. Talk to you soon.